Hello friends, welcome to Activity Corner at the rate Raghav Patel. Today I am going to show you how to solve level 13, 14 and 15. Many of you will think that these are very hard levels but they are very easy. I will show you the easiest trick till now. So let's start and click on the level 13. After you click, you can see that how level 13 looks like. Then you have to drag the blocks and drag it upward and come here. Then you see one more block, you have to drag it downwards and then drag it upwards once more time. And then after all you will see one more block, and after you drag it upward you have to come to another side. After you come to another side, you have to drag it down as much as you can, and on the left hand side you have to drag once more time and match the both blocks. After they are on same level, you have to click on this other side and then you have to lower it, and then finally the last time you have to drag the blocks upward and then downwards and click on the exit button, and the level will be completed. Now we are going to solve level 14. So first of all click on the level 14 and then play button. So then you can see that this is an amazing level. There are two robots, robot A, robot B, and first of all we have to climb till the robot A. Robot A is blocking our way. So I will show you how to do this level because this is a tricky level. But not to worry, this I will show you how to do it. You have to come till here and then the robot will come near you and climb on the block. As soon as the robot comes here, you have to drag the block downwards and then you have to go down where you were at the first position. So the robot A will also follow you backwards. And then you have to go ahead and he will also follow you. Like this he will follow you, and then you have to drag it and you have to quickly come on the other side, and then you have to drag the block once more time so that the red robot can come after you, and then you have to come here at the ending point, means where you were first at the starting point. You have to wait for some time. Then the red robot will go inside and you have to quickly overtake him and go ahead. So now you are ahead and the red robot remains down. Now it will not be able to come and block our way. So then what we done, we have to only do that and then come here and then drag it once more time, and after that you have to come on the other side and you can see the exit button. So you have to click on that exit button. After you click on the exit button, the level is completed. So level 13 and 14 are completed. Now we are going to solve level 15. Level 15 is a home security. See, you have to stay one block away where the electricity hooks are there. After you come there, you have to drag this blocks at lower and then drag it upwards. Then you have to swipe it and then see where is the way. Yes, you have to drag the blocks here and you have to stay one block away, otherwise you will get an electric shock. Like this, and you have to then slide it, otherwise you will get electric shock. And now wait for some time. And then you have to drag that another block and then go upwards. Drag the blocks upward and then you will see that there are two electric shocks machine. So but you have to travel only in the middle blocks. So like this, you can see I am traveling only in the middle blocks and touching the middle blocks. Now after this you have to drag the blocks downward and then you have to click here and then the electric hook is movable, so you have to keep the electric hook away from you and then slide it the other way. Like this you will be able to prevent yourself from getting shock. And now you have to come here and drag it, and you have to stay 1 block away, otherwise you will get a horrible electric shock and the level will be failed. So like this we have completed level 13, 14 and 15. Isn't it easy? If you are thinking that they are hard level, they are not. And like this I will make amazing videos for you. Please like, share and subscribe. Till today this much only. Bye bye friends, meet you next time.